Hey, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you and show you why a majority of ClickFunnels affiliates do not make significant money. And even more importantly, I'm going to show you how you can start making significant money with the ClickFunnels affiliate program. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Brian Brewer. I'm a full-time and long-time affiliate. I do have the ClickFunnels Dream Car steering wheel back there. Hopefully that'll show you that I know a little bit about the ClickFunnels affiliate program. I was on stage last Funnel Hacking Live with Todd Dickerson and Russell Brunson, and I have earned over 6 figures promoting ClickFunnels, and that is by far not my highest paid affiliate program, and that's the key point here that you need to understand if you want to start making significant money with ClickFunnels. So let's go ahead and first show you why most ClickFunnels affiliates don't make any significant money. And let's say this is you, and let's say you're a ClickFunnels affiliate here. And so what you're probably going to do is either you're going to run ads or you're going to create content on platforms like Facebook and YouTube, and maybe even TikTok these days, because TikTok is super powerful, right? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna talk about ClickFunnels, and you're gonna try to get people to ClickFunnels somehow. But the problem here is, A, this is a little bit too direct of selling, so people are gonna put up a wall, so it's gonna make it a lot more difficult. You're really gonna have to explain a lot of benefits and overcome a lot of objections. But a bigger reason is, B, is ClickFunnels is a tool. So when people who really aren't familiar with ClickFunnels come to ClickFunnels, one of two things happens, and this is preventing you from making any considerable money with them. Either A, they have no idea why they need this tool, or B, they don't need this much power and they don't see the benefits of it. So for example, for some people who are just getting started, ClickFunnels, it's a little bit too powerful. So imagine this, for example. Here's my house, okay? And I live in a subdivision, and in the backyard we got a pool and a hot tub and a little garden over here and stuff like that, a couple bushes and trees. And up front, I have some landscaping, and then we have the the walkway, and so this part right here is my lawn, okay? So I don't have a whole lot of grass to mow. For me, if someone came over and tried to sell me a big riding lawnmower, it wouldn't make a whole lot of sense, because I'd be like, why the heck do I need this big riding lawnmower when I only have this much lawn? Well, for a lot of people, that's what ClickFunnels is, right? Or at least that's what they think it is. They're like, well, I just need to collect emails and maybe have a bridge page or something. Why the heck do I need all this other stuff? So what we have to do is we have to overcome the too much. Right? Why do I need it? I don't even know what it is. Why do I need it? And how do we overcome its too much power, right? If we can do those two things, then we're going to make a whole lot more money with ClickFunnels. Let's go and start a new one here, and I'll show you exactly how I promote ClickFunnels successfully. So here's me, and instead of promoting ClickFunnels to a bunch of people who don't even know why they need ClickFunnels, what I do instead is I promote something that's a little more sexy and a little bit more easy to understand. So what I promote on the front end with my ads, with my YouTube, with my TikTok, with my Facebook group, is I promote an affiliate marketing course, right? And I either promote my affiliate marketing course or I promote another affiliate marketing course as an affiliate. And this actually probably works a little bit better. So I promote an affiliate marketing course. It's a cool course. It's has a nice value ladder, and I'll tell you what this course is in just a minute here if you want to promote this as well. But basically what I'm doing is I'm promoting a $7 front end product, and they have some upsells that are like 17 and like 107, and then they have some other stuff that's like, I don't know what it costs, 30 bucks a month, becomes recurring revenue. And then the back end stuff is $1,000 commission plus. Okay, so the cool thing here is people are getting started for only $7, but once they are into this course, they're invested. This is some sort of sunk cost, so they're going to be highly likely to move forward with this venture, because once people sink money into something, they're willing to sink more money into it. Now, some people will move up the value ladder, of course, which makes this a great affiliate program. But what I want to talk about here is how we get the ClickFunnels commissions out of this setup. So once people are invested, once again, even though it's only $7, they are committed to this. Well, of course, as they go through this affiliate marketing course, what they're going to learn is they're going to need a website, right? Because if you're going to be an affiliate marketer, at the very least, you need a website to collect emails and a website to pre-frame the offer, right? So we can do a simple 2-page website. This will pre-frame the offer and then have our affiliate link. This will collect emails here, right? So now people are starting to understand that they need a website. So this is a good opportunity to show them why they need ClickFunnels. So in our email campaigns, right, we're sending emails to all the people. We can start talking about ClickFunnels maybe on day 2 or day 3 of the follow-up, right? We want to give them time to commit to this $7 so they have some sort of sunk cost. But after they do that, we can follow up on day 2 or day 3, start talking about websites and why they're important and why you need them. So now they're automatically going to be more receptive to the potential of ClickFunnels. So we've overcome the why right there. So that's no longer an issue. So that means if we want to make a bunch of ClickFunnels commissions, the only thing we have to overcome now is that it's too powerful, right? Because that's going to be a big objection if we're promoting an affiliate marketing course, which really only need a simple 2-page website. You don't need any checkout pages. You don't need any one-click upsell. So how do we overcome this too powerful objection? Well, the simple way to do that is by making it easier. And what we can do is we can give them share funnel templates, right? We can give them share funnel templates. Say, hey, if you want to be an affiliate marketer, you're going to need a bridge page, which is a simple 2-page website. If you want my one-click import of my bridge page template, then go ahead and just go over to ClickFunnels and get it. And then, because we're shouldering so much load, because we're doing so much work for them, this too powerful objection is automatically erased, because all they're thinking about is the ease and the speed at which they can implement. And that, my friends, is how you make more money with the ClickFunnels affiliate program. So if you do need a front-end product, some sort of paid product to get people to commit, then there's going to be a link either in the description or in the comments, depending on where you're watching this video. That will take you over to one of my preferred affiliate partners. They convert like crazy. I think I've done $393,600 with them last time I checked, so that's pretty cool. You can get started with them by just simply going through a very simple challenge, and once again, you can learn about partnering with them and their value ladder and their integrations into ClickFunnels by clicking a link somewhere around this video and going over to my15daychallenge.com. So I think that'll be helpful for you in order to make more money with ClickFunnels.